Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit salad drink. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of mixed fresh fruits, such as strawberries, blueberries, and diced melon. Also, prepare 1 cup of your preferred fruit juice, like orange or pineapple. For a delightful sparkle, have a half cup of chilled sparkling water ready. Make sure all your components are cold for the most refreshing experience. Now, let's get our fruits ready. Begin by washing all your chosen fruits thoroughly under cool running water to remove any impurities. Next, peel and core any fruits that require it, like a crisp apple or a juicy pineapple. Then, carefully dice all the fruits into small, uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1/2 inch cubes. Finally, gently combine all these colorful, prepared fruits in a large mixing bowl. With your fruits prepared, it's time to mix our refreshing drink. Gently pour the 1 cup of your chosen fruit juice directly over the mixed fruits in the bowl. Next, add the half cup of sparkling water. This will give your drink a wonderful, light effervescence. Stir the entire mixture carefully to ensure all the ingredients are evenly combined. Take a small taste, and if you like, adjust the sweetness with a teaspoon of honey. Your delicious fruit salad drink is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately in tall, chilled glasses to maintain its refreshing temperature. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish each glass with a fresh mint sprig or a vibrant citrus slice. You can also add a few ice cubes if you prefer it extra cold. This simple recipe yields approximately 4 delightful servings, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.